Breaking news coming in. Sources have informed us Rahul Gandhi along with Congress MPs to visit Hathras today to meet victims' family. He could leave around noon. Remember, his attempt to visit Hathras on Thursday was blocked by UP cops. The Congress is also threatening to move court over confinement of Hathras victims' family. That's the latest that is coming in at the moment. Amidst all these restrictions in place, the media and opposition being blocked from visiting Hathras family victims, you're getting this news coming in that Rahul Gandhi will perhaps visit Hathras and he will try to make an attempt again to visit the victim's family again. Question is whether he's going to be stopped or not. Anand Patel is now joining us live. Anand, we've seen the manner in which the administration on ground in Uttar Pradesh is blocking not only journalists but opposition leaders as well. You had one failed attempt of Rahul Gandhi earlier. You did see yesterday TMC leaders were blocked from visiting the Hathras family. In fact, the women leaders were also manhandled by the police out there. In the middle of this kind of an environment, Rahul Gandhi is trying to make a second attempt at visiting Hathras family victims. What more do we know and how confident is he of being able to meet the victims' family, Anand? Let's re-establish that connection right there to Anand Patel. But this is the second bit to meet Hathras victims' family. In fact, on Thursday, he was blocked by the UP cops. The Congress party, interestingly, has also threatened to move court over confinement of Hathras victims' family. That is a big story that is coming in at the moment. Anand Patel is joining us again. Anand, what I was saying earlier is that he made an attempt first. He was blocked. You had TMC leaders who were blocked as well. There were women leaders who were manhandled by the police on ground. Not just the opposition leaders. The media is not allowed to meet the victim's family as well. In an environment like this, how confident is Rahul Gandhi that he will be allowed to meet the victim's family today?
Well, as an opposition leader, it's his responsibility to reach out to the traumatized family, you see. And that is the reason why Rahul Gandhi, within a span of 2 days, is again attempting to meet the family in Hathras. We all know that Section 144 has been imposed around the village, and the police have barricaded the entire village. The family has been put almost in virtual house arrest, and there is no communication with the family. But the manner in which India Today managed to access that video of the family in which they are saying that they're being pressurized, obviously, the opposition clamor is growing on this issue, and that is the reason why we saw Rahul Gandhi day before yesterday, along with Priyanka Gandhi, tried to reach to Hathras, but they were stopped en route. And the lathi charge which ensued, they were heckled. Rahul Gandhi was pushed to ground. Now, notwithstanding that kind of an opposition from the Yogi government, the might of police ring which has been thrown around Hathras to stop the opposition parties and the media from reaching that village and meeting the family, getting a first-hand account. Rahul Gandhi making another attempt today. What we are being told is the NSGI workers and the youth wing workers have been asked to collect at AICC headquarters on Akbar Road at around noon. That is the time Rahul Gandhi, alongside...
And what is the other big story that is coming in is that the Congress is planning to move court in case the restrictions are not lifted by the Uttar Pradesh government, citing this is a gross violation of their fundamental right to life and liberty as well.
Well, yes, this is very strange, the manner in which the government is acting. This is police high-handedness. And, we are trying to create a police state in Uttar Pradesh. This is what the Congress party is saying. And the manner in which the family has been put in virtual house arrest, their communications lines have been taken over by the police, their phones have been taken away. This is what the family is complaining. They are under continuous stress and strain from the officials. So that is the reason why the Congress party feels that the government should allow communication with the family. And that is the reason why they're saying that if within 24 hours they will not allow the family to meet and interact, they will knock the doors of the Supreme Court, because this is a restriction on the family, which is against law, against their human rights.
Absolutely. Anand, leave it at that. Thanks so much for getting us those details. Rahul is going to be making another attempt to visit Hathras today. Sources indicate around noon is when he's going to leave.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.